Incarcerated senior leader of all parties Hurriyat conference Naeem has deplored the criminal silence maintained by the international community on the war crimes being perpetrated by the Indian troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. In a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, Naeem maintained that despite exhausting all its resources and applying every brutal tactic, India has miserably failed to intimidate the people of the occupied territory into submission. He said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government had intensified its state terrorism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir post-August 5, 2019, turning the paradise on earth a hell for its inhabitants. Naeem urged the UN to take steps to resolve the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the Kashmiris' aspirations to mitigate their sufferings. Another APHC leader, Advocate Davinder Singh Bahal, in a statement in Jammu said that durable peace in South Asia was linked to the settlement of Kashmir dispute, but due to India's intransigence, this conflict remained unresolved for over 7 decades. Meanwhile, 3 Indian soldiers were killed and another was injured in an incident of fratricide in Poonch district today. The incident occurred inside an army camp in Surankot area of the district. The students of Government Girls Middle High School Rajpora Mandi in Poonch district along with their parents held a protest demonstration against the occupation of the school building by Indian troops. The protesters staged a sit-in for several hours on Mandi Loran Road demanding eviction of the troops from the building. On the other hand, in yet another anti-Muslim measure, hotels and restaurants across Naharlagun subdivision of the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh have been directed to remove the word beef from signboards. The executive magistrate of Naharlagun subdivision, Tamu Dada, in an order has asked all the restaurants and hotels within its limits to remove the signboards by July 18. The New York-based Committee to Protect Journalists has called upon the European Union to hold Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government accountable for widespread and severe press freedom violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and across India. CPJ's EU representative Tom Gibson, in a statement posted on the website of the organization, said, as India seeks to gloss over its abysmal press freedom record, the EU must condemn its harsh crackdown on journalists and media organizations and make clear, verifiable demands, including the release of arbitrarily detained journalists.